Dalacin contains clindamycin hydrochloride, which is an antibiotic used in the treatment of serious bacterial infections. Dalacin C 150 mg capsule is a lincomycin antibiotic used for the treatment of bacterial infections of the lungs, skin, bones, joints, stomach, and intestine. It is also used in the post-surgical conditions to avoid infections at the site of surgery. The capsule stops the growth of bacteria causing the infection. It is not effective against infections caused by viruses. Indications: serious infections caused by clindamycin susceptible strains of streptococci, pneumococci, and staphylococcus, serious respiratory tract infections, empyema, anaerobic pneumonitis infections, peritonitis and intra-abdominal abscess, female pelvis and genital tract infections, endometritis, non-gonococcal tubervarian abscess, pelvic cellulitis and post-op cough infection, skin and soft tissue infections. How to use. Your doctor will tell you how many capsules you need to take each day. This may depend on your condition and whether or not you are taking any other medicines. The usual adult dose of Dalacin C is 1 capsule of 150 mg taken 4 times a day. The number of capsules may increase with more serious infections. Your doctor will tell you how long you take to your capsules. Space the doses of Dalacin C capsules evenly apart and take them at about the same time each day. Continue taking your medicine for as long as your doctor tells you. This medicine helps to control a condition but does not cure it. It is important to keep taking your medicine even if you feel well. Contraindications. Do not take Dalacin if you are allergic, hypersensitive to clindamycin, lincomycin, or to any of the other ingredients in this medicine. You are experiencing diarrhea or suffer from intestinal inflammatory disease. You are taking erythromycin to treat an infection. Precautions. Some medicines can affect the way this medicine works, or the medicine itself can reduce the effectiveness of other medicines taken at the same time. This includes erythromycin, an antibiotic, muscle relaxants used during operations, oral contraceptive pills. You should use extra contraception such as condoms while taking Dalacin C capsules and for 7 days after taking. Warfarin or similar medicines used to thin the blood. You may be more likely to have a bleed. Your doctor may need to take regular blood tests to check how well your blood can clot. Possible side effects. Like all medicines, Dalacin can cause side effects, although not everybody gets them. Tell a doctor immediately if you develop signs of a severe allergic reaction such as sudden dizziness, difficulty in breathing, swelling of eyelids, face or lips, rash or itching, especially affecting the whole body. Severe persistent or bloody diarrhea. This may occur with some antibiotics and should be reported immediately. Blistering and peeling of large areas of skin, yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes, jaundice.